Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps section. Let's tap on it. Then let's choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Special Access. In this list we have to localize Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course, we can change it. All you have to do is to find your apps app and tap on this switcher. And from now on, since this option is active, your device, or actually Chrome, is allowed to install some content. It will work the same with all other apps, however, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on those switchers, or simply tap on Deny All. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.